Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful sunrise. I just get home from work and look at this beautiful. Hello, everyone. Good morning. We just get home from work and look at the beautiful sunrise. Beautiful blessing. Love it. Thank you for always supporting my video. It's me, Alan Girl. Thank you for all my friends and fans. See, I just want to show you the beautiful sunrise here in the mountain. Look at that. It's freezing though. It's so cold. It's still winter here where we live at. Here in United States. Hello, Philippines. Hello, all over the world. Look at that. You Tiny, you keep quiet, Tiny. Tiny and Clyde. What a beautiful morning. Toot, 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 toot. Oh, I'm fixing to go inside because I'm cold. I'm just trying to share it to you. Try to, some video because I think the last time I had, I did my friends' greetings a few days back. All right, bye. It's me, Alan Girl, live in foreign. No, bye-bye. Good morning. Toot, 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 toot. Huh?
I gotta kill that grass again this weekend, so